Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the PC supports remote desktop and that you have an admin account with a strong password. Once done, enable remote desktop in settings and allow it through Windows Firewall. This opens the necessary port on the host. Next, record the PC name or assign a static local IP so you can find it from your phone. Make sure remote desktop users include your account. Finally, decide whether you'll use Microsoft Account Sign-In, network-level authentication, or a direct IP for quick mobile connection. You now secure and connect the network. If you must reach the PC from outside your LAN, either configure port forwarding for TCP 3389 on your router or, better, set up a VPN so you don't expose RDP directly. Once your network path is ready, install the Microsoft Remote Desktop app on your mobile device and open it. Create a new desktop entry with the recorded host name or public IP. Add your username and credentials, and tune display resolution and sound options so performance matches your mobile bandwidth. Finish by testing locally. Connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi and launch the saved remote session. This isolates network issues. If you can't connect, verify Windows Firewall allows remote desktop, confirm router NAT/port forwarding, and recheck the username and password. Simple typos are common. Make sure network-level authentication matches client settings. If problems persist, switch to VPN access or change the external port and forward appropriately. This improves security and often resolves ISP or router blocking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.